Hi, my name is Tyler Seitz, and my project is on feminism and social media. Social media has been around for quite a few years now, and it honestly has a lot of ups and downs. It's a double-edged sword. Honestly, I find that while social media does help with many issues, it also can harm things. But for my argument, I'd like to argue that I think social media is good for the feminist movement because I think it gives a voice to the people. While I think there are also some people who use it for the wrong reasons, and while they say they support the feminist movement, they end up hurting it. I think overall there are a lot of people on there that are able to have a voice that they don't feel they have in person, and going behind a screen gives them that voice to not only express themselves but help give a new power and a new drive behind the feminist movement, because there are a lot of people out there who don't feel they can go to rallies or just don't have the time to. So now I feel that the feminist movement has grown even larger thanks to the internet due to reasons like this. And again, while I did say that I think there are some negatives, I think at the end of the day, it's mostly positive depending on how you look at it. And this is what I plan on writing my paper on. Thank you.